Hello everyone. Hi, I'm Dr. Rashi Agarwal, MD in Psychiatry. And I have been getting this question a lot. So today we are going to talk about Family Man. Yes, there has been a lot of talk about how therapy has been portrayed in Family Man. So we've seen a lot of negatives or a lot of cons. Let's talk about the positives. So come, let's dive into the video and see what's up. We've seen that so many people have commented that yes, therapy has been portrayed in a wrong manner and that this is not an accurate description how therapy has been undergoing or how it's done on a general basis. So okay, let's walk through the basis. Now when we talk about therapy, now when we talk about Family Man season 2, so we have three main actors in that. So there's Manoj Bajpayee, who's obviously the lead of the show. Second is Priyamani, who's playing Suchi, the wife of Manoj Bajpayee. And third is Ashlisha, she's playing Dhriti, the daughter of both of them. So now, let's see many scenarios from season 1 to 2, how therapy is trying, the shows are trying really hard to embed therapy into our lives. We always know that how mainstream cinema, mainstream media, TV, newspaper, shows, movies, how much they impact our mental health and how much they influence how we see our lives. So the main thing here is that the show, first of all, point number one, it introduced therapy as a normal narrative in our life and also like something that everybody does and goes to. So there's a point in season 1 where Suchi has been shown that she switched from a regular normal job and she's taking up this job in startup which works with therapy and which works for mental health. So she's seen given speeches about that. So first of all, kudos on that, on starting and introducing this thing is in a life that we go to a doctor for a physical ailments. It is similar when we go to a specialist, a psychiatrist, a therapist for seeking therapy. Number 2, when they both of them, Suchi and Manoj Bajpayee, is playing in that series, they both face some marital difficulty. She suggests that they go to a counselor therapist. Then again, we understand the details and intricacy about going to a therapist and the way the person advises them was not correct. But my point here is that just to embed this feeling in the audience and the people who are seeing that it's okay if your marriage is on the rocks, if you think something is not working right now, or just to figure out if something will or will not work, it's completely fine to go over and talk to a therapist. They might give you tools, ideas, and also a lot of homework to move on forward from there. So completely 10 on 10 points of working on showing this second thing there. Yes, there could be a lot more final details added to that, but just my applause is just on bringing therapy into regular media cinema. We have not been seeing therapy in mainstream movies or shows, so this could be just a pioneer starting point where it takes this forward, and we see this in everyday shows, hence it comes in general public and even people start accepting that. Third point, when their daughter in the end, she gets kidnapped and she faces a lot of trauma there, and when she comes back in the hospital, the mother is saying in the closing lines that the doctor has said that we could start therapy with her as soon as she starts moving out from here or when she's discharged. Again, normalization that yes, it's not only about medicines, but whenever, God forbid, anybody faces any kind of mental trauma, they can go ahead with this, they can go ahead, see a psychiatrist, see a therapist and get the therapy at the right time. Hence, just to untangle a lot of thoughts that you're having right now, so unscrewing, that is what in general terms we have been seeing, that people say, are you screwed up? Why are you behaving like that? Are you dull? Are you mentally ill? So to stop these kinds of stigma and bring up words that it is completely normal to go to therapy. Hence, my 3 basic points from the show, there's a number of things that has been said and done, but 3 basic points to take away from here is that yes, normalization of therapy, introducing it into our lives and bring it into an everyday feeling. People who watch, at least they said that it started a dialogue around mental health. So hopefully in further coming shows, in further year, we see that even the intricacies and detailed are noted point to point, and it helps in spreading better awareness. Until then, waiting for the next video. Bye-bye.